Hello there people and welcome to my brand new review. In this review we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to this website. It's called blockspan.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on Delta Executor so it should load up, and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So don't worry guys, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here and it's our public info. So just enter username and click connect to server and you should get this. So if it's your account, just click connect, wait a few seconds and it should verify you, and there we go. Now we will click import latest executor. Click there guys and you will get additional drop down sorry, where you can get this optional custom scripts to import. So if you want, you can select scripts and import along your Delta Executor. So I will go with NICUs, for example, and Solix Hub. With these two scripts, when you select it, click continue guys, and it should start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. And look at this, API request is successful. Our Delta build is ready. You should also get your build unique number there, and you should get this activated Delta Executor along your key. So guys, you should also get your key there, and also check your scripts. It's all ready. And now we'll have to click verify and complete now, because there are many bot attempts and malicious attacks. So just click verify and complete now and we should get redirected after this. And there we go, imported. Look at this guys, Delta Executor is successfully imported, our username is connected, our script selected are imported, and we got our unique key generated. There we go guys. Now just click copy key and we should open our official Roblox right now. So guys, before you get this imported page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks from the list. Don't worry, because all tasks are free and safe and you can complete that literally under 2 minutes. So after you complete 2 tasks, it will automatically redirect you to this imported page with your username, selected scripts and your unique key. When you get on this page, click copy on this key, close this page and open your Roblox. And now let's test, is it actually working or no? So let's test it on Block Streets or maybe this animal hospital. We can do whatever guys. Let's try on Block Streets. It's the same on every single game. And look at this, we actually got our Delta Executor imported. Now guys, just paste your key, click continue, and boom, we got the latest working Delta Executor. Look at this guys, version is the latest and updated. So let's click for the scripts and boom, we got Solix Hub and NICUs just as we selected. So guys, let me choose this and let's test, is it actually working? I will click on Solix Hub for example, and it should load it up. And look at this, lifetime key. It's crazy guys, we got literally everything. This is so broken. And let's see now, are we actually getting this working? And yeah guys, it's sick. Look at this, how many options we have. Let's click auto farm, let's minimize it and let's see, is it actually working? Guys, you can do it with every single game. You can do it with Blocks Fruits, with Grow a Garden 2, Fish. You can do it with your 99 Nights in the Forest game, Animal Hospital. Look at this guys, it's automatically farming. It's crazy. And you can do much more things. You can also click there and search for more scripts, like click there and search just for your game like Block Streets and you will have a bunch of games there. You can test literally everything. Guys, I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, blockspan.com was the only working website so far. So if you want to remove this Delta Executor, just reinstall it. And if you want to update it, just go the same process from Blockspan, and that's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.